Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll add image watermarks to documents using Power Automate. Before we get into the actual demo, let's have a look at the use case. So here I am in my OneDrive and I have a folder named as image watermark demo. When I upload the document to these folders, an image should be applied. And what image should be applied? The company logo to the header of the document, and the final document should be saved in the watermarked folder in SharePoint. So that being said, let's not waste any further time and let's get into the demo. So here my friends, I'm in Power Automate and I'll create an automated flow. I'll skip this and I'll select the trigger OneDrive for Business when a file is created. To this particular trigger, I will point it to a folder which I need to monitor. In our case, it is image watermarks. Next, what I want to do is that I want to get the logo, right? The company logo, which is out here, and add it to the document. So how do I get the company logo? I'll use get file content using path OneDrive for Business action. Here, I will navigate to the path where the logo resides. Perfect. Next is where the real magic happens. I'm going to use the Muhimbi action to add image watermarks to PDFs. So I'll type an image and I'll say add image watermarks. Here I need to pass in the source file content, which is the output of file is created action. I need to add the image content, which is the output of the get file content action. I need it at the top left corner, so I'll say position top left. And if you see, the width of the watermark is 1 divided by 72 of an inch. So let's say that we want the watermark to be 1 inch, right? So it's 72. That being said, there are many other options that you would like to configure. You can also pass in the source file name, which is the file name, the output of the get file created action, the X and Y coordinates helps you to pinpoint the watermark at a particular position on the document. You can change the layer, foreground or background. I leave it as it is. You can rotate the image and you can also set the opacity. That being said, now the final part would be to create the document back into my SharePoint. So I'll type in SharePoint and I'll say create file. Here I'll add the site address. I'll add the folder path, so watermarked file, pass it the file name. The file name is the output of the when a file is created action. And finally, I'll pass in the file content, which is the output of the add image watermark action. Not here, but in the file content. Perfect. I'll give my Power Automate or flow a meaningful name, so image watermarks, and I'll save my flow. And let's quickly test our flow. So I'll set it to manual. I'll go back into my OneDrive, so my files, and I'll quickly upload few files in my OneDrive folder. So let's say that I want to upload a PDF document, a Word document, an Excel, and a PowerPoint document. I'll just drag and drop it here. So it's uploading 4 files, and let me try to upload them because it did not upload in the first attempt. So now it's uploaded. And here, my friends, the Power Automate has already triggered. So it's trying to add the image watermark and my Power Automate has ran successfully. So if you see, it's just one that is pending. We had 4 documents. 4 documents are being watermarked. The final document is still running, so we'll wait. And that has completed as well. Awesome. So I'll go back and just refresh this particular library and let me download these documents onto my desktop. I'll quickly extract all from the zip folder in OneDrive and let's open the document one by one. So let's start with the PDF document first. Perfect. You have the image watermark. Let me open the Word document. You have the image watermark. Perfect. Let's open the PowerPoint document. You have the image watermark. And finally, the Excel document. So I'll click on it. And here you don't see the watermark. Any guesses why? Okay, let me try to explain. Excel can have one cell or it can have 1 million cells. So Excel is not a format intended for printing. But however, if you want to print an Excel file, you need to do a Control P, and here, my friends, you have the watermark in the print view. So I think that's pretty much it. I hope this demo was informative. Thank you for your time, and bye-bye.